Hey guys, welcome back to the Smart English podcast. Have you ever arrived at an international airport, looked at the customs officer, and suddenly forgotten every single English word you knew? Don't worry, you are not alone. Traveling can be stressful, but your English doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate, stress-free guide to airport and hotel English. Let's make your next trip incredibly smooth. Let's start at the airport check-in desk. Forget the complex grammar. You only need to know a few key phrases. When they ask for your papers, just say, "Here is my passport and booking reference." If you prefer a seat next to the window, don't overcomplicate it. Simply ask, "Is a window seat still available?" Now, the most stressful part, security check. The officers speak fast, but they usually ask the exact same things. If they point to your bag, they might say, "Please take out your laptop and liquids." Keep your answer simple. Just say, "Sure, no problem." If the alarm goes off, don't panic. Just smile and say, "Do I need to take off my shoes?" They will guide you through calmly. You made it to your destination. Now let's check into your hotel. Walk up to the front desk with confidence and say, "Hi, I have a reservation under the name." You should tell your name. If you want to make sure your stay is perfect, ask them, "Is breakfast included in my stay?" And if you need the internet immediately, which we all do, just ask, "Could I get the Wi-Fi password, please?" See, traveling in English is all about knowing simple, direct phrases, not perfect grammar. You've got this. If you found these travel tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below telling me where you are traveling next. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Smart English Podcast.